Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आमकां खूबशे लोक आतां जोडपाक लागल्या. तांच्या पक्षान स्वागत आसा आनी फाटीं सांगिल्लें अशें बाकीचे जे BJPन आसा किंवा खंयच्याय पक्षान आसूं जे गोंय वाचोवपाक आनी गोंयकारांक बरी सुविधा दिवपाक जाय तांकां दिसता वावर करचे गोंयकार खातीर तांचे पक्षान नक्कीच आमी स्वागत करतले आनी तांकां परत उलो मारता की आम आदमी पक्षान सामील व्या. हांव आज अधिकृत रित्या बाब राहुलचे पक्षान स्वागत करता. आमच्या स्कार्फ घालून राहुल बाब तुज्या पक्षान स्वागत आसा आनी वॉट कामाचो लोकांचो फुडें केपें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. तशेंच बाब हिलारियो मोस्ट वेलकम टू आम आदमी पार्टी. एक काम फुडें वतलो.
We have done yeoman service to Quepem, and when I was the last chairperson, now this term, the past term, the project which could not have seen the day, the dawn of the day, that is Quepem Fish Market. I have done it. I have evacuated everybody, and then today that project of 9 crore rupees is nearing completion. That is the last work that I have carried out. A part of that, there was Golden Jubilee Fund, which was unutilized. That I had put another building in my ward itself, and which is under completion. These are the two projects I have completed just lately. I feel that I have no place in Congress. I feel because certain decisions that were being taken now, that they never consider you as a potential person. They use and throw. Therefore, I said it is better that I should leave, and I have come to Aam Admi only because Aam Admi Party is a growing party, and I am 100% sure that people are going to respond faith in Aam Admi Party, and definitely Aam Admi Party could be the leading partner for the formation of the government.
And from now onwards, I feel that Aam Admi Party Quepem will get more strength, and there will be a boost, and more people will join from Quepem.